time, it's my place, it's my destiny. No one can take away what was meant for me. My granny said, what for you can't be unfor you. No man never see where God plan for you. Yeah, the best is yet to come. If I believe I can, I will.
Hey vlog world.
Yeah, me I go up on the road now. Malika don't want to come.
I'm not coming.
Piss off.
Tell them my name.
No.
And why they should subscribe.
Anyways, you guys need to subscribe to the channel. We don't know what that means, but you know, you must do it. Anyways, me I walk go up on the road. No! Me I walk go up on the road. Just I go make a little stretch out of my foot them. Yeah. You see I be a man up on the road, so I'm not gonna vlog them because I be a killers and sitting. Anyways, I see Lachelle, I see Big Head Lachelle, and I see Auntie. So, yeah, that's our friend house, that's our oven house. Camera look kind of dark. Yo, I want pizza hill, you see what I go up in? No, sir. Anyways, we soon reach. Yeah, with the panny ends and now stuff. Like me, I go introduce you to everybody. Me a vlog, what do you? Me a vlog for Mesa. Get it? Yeah, with the panny ends, Lachelle. Yeah. This is Lori. Say hi
my daughter right there.
to the camera. Anyway, this is Auntie. Everybody know Auntie from long time.
Yes, me a Crosses. Hello.
This is Commute. This is the real Crosses.
Yo, rich.
Yes.
Check out my team.
Anyways,
Come on, people are playing Lodi.
this is the ends. That is a football field over there. Let me see if I can zoom in.
Netball to big up the girl, me and talk football.
The netball court is empty. I just 4 people that play football. Anyways, we're out.
Hi, good morning. Good morning, vlog world. Good morning, Skylifers. Good morning. How you doing? Well, today I am walking to work now. Morning. I hurt me. I'm going to go to my drive. That's gonna bring me to work. I'm walking part way. But I wanted to come to you guys this morning and tell you a big thank you for subscribing to my channel. And not only subscribing, but you guys like, you guys comment. And feel free to leave a comment if you haven't left one before. I will be sure to answer you. And I hit 100 subscribers so quickly. And I wanted to do a giveaway. I told you, if you follow me on Snapchat, I said that I would do a giveaway for the 100 subscribers. But that will not be the case anymore. So I'm working towards 500 subscribers, and that is when I'm going to do a giveaway for 500 subscribers, right? So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe right now. Right, click the button, subscribe. And also guys, turn on the notification so you can know when I do a new upload. So you can know when I do a new upload. Right? In the clip before, you saw Kin. That's my cousin. She do a very good job at the little vlog section there, right? If you think she did a very good job, leave a comment below so I can have her know that she did a good job. So today I want to go and do my eyebrows. The ear can't do your eyebrow no and because what that? But then my eyebrow yeah go. So I'll do my eyebrow. Yeah, that's the one. Tamika is on vacation. So I mean alone I roll in the streets and be things. But this video is just to say thank you for the support. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for commenting. You know, you guys are truly awesome. And I want to surround myself around awesomeness, awesome people, because I'm awesome. So our Skylife family is an awesome place to be, right? So yeah, this is me. I'm gonna do my eyebrows later. I got my waist trainer, my training belt, my exercise belt. I want to show you guys that maybe on Saturday if you follow me on Snapchat. So if you don't follow me on Snapchat, you need to do that because certain things are Snapchat not possible, right? So you need to do that and keep it locked, keep safe, keep wonderful, keep growing, guys. You have to invest some time in yourself to grow. Read something today. You know, I want to do the get to know me tag so you guys can get to know me a little bit and see the type of person that I am. And something like me I talk too much now, so I'm gonna cut now. And remember this: if you do what is hard, your life will be easy. But if you do what is easy, your life will be hard. So when do some hard things, my life go easy. I'm if it is. What up, vlog world? What's up? Everybody needs someone. Sometime you have to drop your next girl, man. No, not do it. I'm taken. But I'm leaving work now. And I'm not gonna get to go and do my eyebrows today. I have to go meet somebody to pick up something. I have the driver right here.
Champion boy.
And Miss Lynch is back from her vacation. We have Miss Lynch right there.
I love you.
What's the money, you know? But we are leaving work now. And now got home. I need to try and get some rest. But I'll go home, go work on my e-commerce site, but I'm going to pick up the thing first. Maybe tomorrow I'm going to do my eyebrow. We can't stop today because I'm pretty busy. What Carlos say? How Carlos come today? We're out. Well, gone.
We make Tywin say 2 words today. We make him say bye and we make him say car.
So them know Tywin.
But you have to see car. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. You have guinea in your mouth. Say bye. Tywin. Say bye. In the way when they say it.
Tywin, take out your mouth and say bye.
Tywin, take out it. Say bye. Bye.
Oh my God, Tywin! Oh my God!
Say car.
Oh my God!
You
Tywin,
can't drive.
come and give me a kiss.
Come,
Hold on,
kiss
no.
me, sir.
Yes! Yeah! Oh. So I'm home now. I'm walking down the hill to my house. This is Tywin, my baby boy.
Look shiny.
This is Gin, my baby girl. This is Melika, your baby girl. When I go,
Mama sent for working.
walk on Tywin. What's a clap? Clap your hands, Tywin. Clap your hands.
Yes.
Clap your hands, Tywin.
Clap your belly, clap your hand.
Put your hand in her ear. Put your hand in her ear.
Up. Yes.
Up.
Up.
Not by your head. In her ear. Touch your nose. Touch your mouth.
Touch your mouth. This is your mouth. This is your nose.
Say a word again.
Say bye. Tell them bye. Bye.
Oh my God, Tywin! I'm so proud of you, yo.
I'm proud of
You're
me.
so
I'm teaching.
You're the boss. You're the boss. You're the boss. Yeah. Anyway, guys, you come back down.
Yes, come here.
We're walking down the hill.
Mama say you don't want to drop asleep, so I'm to walk, you know. How when you dead?
Clean like a airball, don't?
How do you, Nikki?
No, you're mad. I don't want Nikki in my head. Anyways,
Tell her bye. Say bye.
walking down the hill.
Say bye. Hi, Melissa.
Hi.
Melissa, what about?
I never know still a shell out work.
Right up
Slash shell out there.
there. I should get about 3 balls funny flag already, you know.
Come down here, suck. I'm not seeing you from here, yo.
Hey, I'm just coming from work. I'm tired.
Say hi, Skylife TV.
So shiny.
Say hi, Skylife TV.
Skylife TV, peace. How you say out? How you still a win?
What's wrong with
Say
you?
bye. Teach him to say bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Kevin, take your
Go see your father in my room.
Say bye.
Clean like a airball. Outfit of the day.
Outfit blue and blue.
You look good. It's a Skylife look.
The outfit of the day. Let's remember the year outfit of the day.
No kin, my pants too big right
One
now.
of the day. One of the day.
Stop it.
Girl clean like a airball.
You won't come like a lopsided in your head.
Hey, me just need something to put you up, come hot.
That's why I cut my hair way longer than this and I feel like I have to go cut it somewhere.
Because you need shorter than that.
See what kind of hair?
Skylife TV.
You my hair.
Bob.
Yeah, me think I go cut it
Tell her
back.
no, she need a bob. You know, see it.
I have to catch up because I'm so hot.
Eyebrows on fleek.
Me need to go to mind them, but to me did that hurry up today. This morning I talk about it on the
A
vlog.
video.
One tongue ring.
Phenomenal mother to be.
Wanna be.
Mother to be. Outfit of the day. Bam.
I am good.
Hey, you're watching Wood.
Wait. You know what I'm realizing?
You're amazing. Son of Taisha, we wicked.
You know me just you remember Lion King when they were dedicated to baby and the little monkey after you look. No need again.
You have to clap your hand for you, make Finn clap for him and.
Anyway, so we take one thumbnail. Clap your hand, Darian. Clap your hand, Darian. Clap your hand, Darian. Clap your hand, Darian. Yay! Anywho, I need a thumbnail. Darian, say bye, Skylife TV.
Bye.
This is where we end this vlog. So yeah, say peace out. And remember, if you do what is easy, your life will be hard. But if you do what is hard, your life will be easy. So do some hard things today. Peace.
Hey.
Bye, Lachelle. Say bye. Bye, Skylife TV. Say bye, Darian. Say bye. Say it. Bye.
Say bye.
Okay, mouthful.
Thank you so much for stopping by Melicaskylife TV. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscription button. I'll see you on the next vlog.